25G Zulu, wind 1805, visibility 10, ceiling 7,500 broken, 1000 broken, temperature 22, 2.16, altimeter 3037. Arrivals expect approach runway 27. Notice to airmen, runway 1836 closed. Taxiway Charlie closed north of runway 927 inside the taxiway Papa. Hazardous weather information available on flight service frequencies. Advise you of information Gulf.
Howdy guys, just taxiing out for a quick camera test flight, little research and development flight if you will. Jamie did not want to get out of bed for an early morning flight just to test cameras. She's more into going places and having fun. So I got a ball of wires up here because I'm testing out a new audio cable, I'm testing out a new camera and a new mount. I'm tired of losing audio, video. Come along and we're going to swing over to Janesville for breakfast if it works out on this lovely Sunday morning. Let's call ground. Taxi on out. Aurora ground, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, Skyhaven, taxi with the numbers and VFR departure to the northwest.
Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, Aurora ground, runway 27, taxi via Alpha.
27 via Alpha 1 Bravo Charlie. I forgot the ATIS code, that was quick. So when you tell a controller that you have the numbers, that means you have the most recent runway wind altimeter, which is what they're required to issue. If there were other things on the ATIS that is pertinent that they're required to tell you, in addition to the runway wind and altimeter, then they would then have to tell you. So it is better to say you have the ATIS code, but I am human and I brain dumped it. So here we go, behind that beautiful extra. Jamie, that's the extra Jamie did the ride in, right there on the other side of that bush. I'll have to put that video up here for you guys that haven't seen it. It was a pretty cool video. She went and did some aerobatics. So here we go, doing a quick run up. We'll be back. Tower Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, short of 27, ready to go VFR northwest.
Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, 127, clear for takeoff. Twin Star, beam the numbers right side.
1 Bravo Charlie, clear for takeoff, 27, traffic in sight.
Cessna 4 Uniform Whiskey, number 2, following the twin on the opposite downwind to beam the numbers, down in sight.
Number 2 for runway 27, 704 Uniform Whiskey. We have them in sight.
Cessna 4 Uniform Whiskey, follow the Twin Star, runway 27, clear for the option.
Follow the Twin Star, runway 27, clear for the option. November 704 Uniform Whiskey.
Gauges are on the green. Fuel flows look good. Airspeed's alive, 60, 70, 80, 90, rotate. Tap the brakes. Gear coming up. And we're climbing out at blue line. Yaw damper is on. Clear right. Chicago approach, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, 6 northwest of Aurora with request.
771 Bravo Charlie, Chicago approach, squawk 5177, go ahead.
5177, we're Cessna 310 out of 3.3 for 4.5, just looking for flight following to Janesville.
1 Bravo Charlie, radar contact 5 northwest of Aurora, the O'Hare altimeter 3036, maintain VFR outside the Bravo en route to Janesville.
3036, copy all, 1BC.
Altitude 1000 to go.
Go 310 pilot.
Howdy.
Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, contact Rockford approach 121.0, we'll see you at work later.
21 nothing, we'll see you then, see you dude. Kramer. Rockford approach, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie is with you 4,500.
Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, Rockford approach, Rockford altimeter 3035, say destination.
3035, we're Cessna 310 going to Janesville.
Number 1 Bravo Charlie, Roger, I'm showing information Victor, current at Janesville, advise with Victor.
1BC will advise.
Janesville, Southern Wisconsin Regional, information Victor, time 13450. Wind 210 at 7, visibility 10 miles.
Number 8 Bravo Zulu, contact Madison approach 120.1.
Celsius 2.20, altimeter 3034. Expect visual approach, 90 departing runway 22.
Hazardous weather information available on I-walks and flight service frequencies. All arrivals, contact tower 118.8 at least 7 nautical miles from the airport. VFR departures, advise ground on 121.65 for direction of flight. All pilots read back hold short instructions. Advise initial contact for permission, Victor.
1 Bravo Charlie's got Victor.
1 Bravo Charlie, roger.
Quick flight. Hopefully the cameras are doing okay. This is a GoPro Hero9. Unfortunately, GoPro has changed so that you have to take the door off to put in a USB-C mic adapter.
Rockford approach,
well,
51907 Tango with you at 5,000.
If you take the door off,
over, so heading
the battery falls out. The vibration.
51907 Tango, Rockford approach, Rockford.
The silliest idea I've ever seen for anybody that wants to record audio from an external audio thing. So these people make a case, don't remember the name of it, it's right there upside down, small rig or something, where you can take the door off and then plug it in through the hole and it holds the battery in place. So I'll have to see if that works. I did use this when Jamie and I went to Sun and Fun up here to test a backwards one, because these Hero 5 sessions, I love the size of them for the tail and for in the cockpit because it has a very small signature to it. However, they stopped making them many years ago, and GoPro doesn't make another small cube camera like this. So I'm having to try to test maybe to put another 9 up there facing back. It does have to be in a slightly different position because the camera is a little bit bigger, but thus is life. Every time you get used to something and you like it, new technology comes out and you're always having to toy with it, test it, play with it, determine what's going on. So that was the entire purpose of this flight. I'm gonna just take this video back and make sure, because I just was editing a couple of flights. I'm currently editing the Sun and Fun, and I was editing the light gun video and the one where I did a bunch of instrument approaches with John. And man, my audio issues are kind of large, and it's not the airplane. I got new alternators, and they've done a lot of work, and nice audio panel. I've got all that done. In my headsets, it's crystal clear, and then I go and I get on these cameras, and sometimes it's very challenging. So, or I can't use it at all. So, at any rate, we shall see how that does. Quick view out the office window. So right there off the nose, that's Poplar Grove. Jamie and I flew in there for a breakfast run one time. They have really nice houses. There's one in the pattern, probably won't show up on the camera. It's a nice flying community. They have a really good engine shop there that's really popular, Poplar Grove. I'll put that video up here for those that are interested in seeing an old video. Back when the plane was white, flying into Poplar Grove for a breakfast event. And then this is the setup right now that we got. So I'm testing a new audio cable because my other audio cable could have been the suspect, but we'll find out on that. All right, it's time to start descending already. Rockford 1 Bravo Charlie's got Janesville in sight.
1 Bravo Charlie Rogers, traffic at your 11 o'clock 4 miles appears to currently be northwestbound, type and altitude unknown.
1 Bravo Charlie searching no joy.
1 Bravo Charlie, additional traffic 2 o'clock 7 miles southwestbound, altitude indicates 2,400.
1 Bravo Charlie looking.
1 Bravo Charlie, solid traffic observing between you and Janesville, radar service terminated, contact Janesville Tower 118.8.
1 Bravo Charlie 18.8, have a good one.
Okay.
Janesville Tower, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie is 10 miles south with Victor, full stop.
771 Bravo Charlie, Janesville, report 2 south, left downwind, runway 22.
1 Bravo Charlie, report 2 south, left downwind 22. Janesville Tower, Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie is 2 south, entering the left downwind for 22.
November 1 Bravo Charlie, report left base, runway 22.
1 Bravo Charlie, Wilco.
Bravo Charlie, we watch your videos.
Hey, thank you very much. We appreciate the support. Below 160, gear coming down. Oh, 1 Bravo Charlie's turning left face 22.
Number 1 Bravo Charlie, thanks 22, clear to land. And where do you want to go after landing?
I'm going to Bessie's.
All right, when able, left turn, Bravo will be fine to Bessie's as frequency.
1 Bravo Charlie, copy all, 22, clear to land. Alright, now we're on speed. Going pretty good on the approach. That'll work. That'll work, guys. Get my mojo back. Well, welcome to Janesville. For those of you that watch regularly, this will be for your like 10th time. I don't know if I've done that many, but probably at least 4 or 5. I might try the other camera, the old camera with the new audio cable on the way home and see which one of these here setups work best. See y'all in a little bit.
Janesville, Southern Wisconsin Regional Airport, information Whiskey 1445 Zulu, wind 220 at 9er, visibility 10,000 scattered, temperature 25, dew point 19er, altimeter 3034. Visual approach, runway 22 in use, landing and departing runway 22. Hazardous weather information, Emirates available, all flight service frequencies. Note, runway 14 passenger out of service until further notice. VFR departures, advise ground control of your direction of flight. All arrivals, contact tower at least 7 nautical miles from the airport. Advise on initial contact, you have information Whiskey.
Well guys, breakfast was outstanding. I met some very nice guys that watched the channel and showed one of them around with his kids in here. But it was very nice to meet you guys. We always appreciate when you guys see us out and about. Say hi. Let us know what you think. But now we got Whiskey, we're going to call ground, and I swapped cameras, so we'll talk about that a little bit in here. Janesville ground, Twin Cessna 771, Bravo Charlie, Bessie's Whiskey, VFR departure to the south.
Or 1 Bravo Charlie, Janesville ground. Runway 22, taxi via Alpha. Cross runway 32 at Alpha, then hold short of runway 36.
Runway 22 via Alpha, we'll cross 32 short of 36, 1 BC. So we're going to finish taxiing out here. We'll do the quick run up, and then we'll be back for the short flight back home. And see if the old camera, this is the original 7 that we've been using for a while, not the original, but the one we've been using for a little bit. We'll make sure that we'll see if it was the audio cable or the camera or a combination of the two. Just trying to get you guys a better product in the end, if we can. Be right back. Janesville Tower, Twin Cessna 771, Bravo Charlie is ready to go, 22 VFR south.
November 1 Bravo Charlie, Janesville. Watch out for traffic inbound from the south. Clear for takeoff, runway 22.
22, clear for takeoff, 1 BC, we'll look for the traffic. Alrighty. Windsock looks like a little bit from the right, not much. Bottle's coming up to 1700, mixture's going rich. Gauges are all looking good, release the brakes. Full throttle, fuel flows look good. Airspeed's alive, 60, 70, 80, 90, rotate. Tap the brakes. Gear coming up. So hopefully I can do like a side-by-side with these cameras and see if the video looks clearer, if the audio sounds crisper, make a decision about moving forward Because we got some fun trips planned still for the year, so it would be nice. I did get Jamie a to-go veggie omelet because I'm that kind of guy. And I did get a coffee to go, which you wish you had pretty good cup holders, but I've showed it before. I use my boot. My boots are pretty stable. Put stuff in there to drink. It usually stays upright unless you're in real bad turbulence. Aurora Tower, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie is 11 miles to the north, inbound with India, full stop.
Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, Aurora Tower, traffic 1 o'clock and a mile eastbound, 2,300 indicated. Enter right downwind, runway 27, report midfield.
1 Bravo Charlie, enter right downwind, 27, report midfield, traffic is in sight.
One Bravo Charlie, traffic that follows left base to final now, short final.
Okay, no joy. Oh, I think I see the second one on final. Base turn look good for me?
Yeah, base looks good for you. 1 Bravo Charlie, runway 27, number 3, clear to land, wind 210.
1 Bravo Charlie, number 3, clear to land, 27. Alright, gear coming down. Alright, gas, fuel pumps on low, fuel is on the main, undercarriage, we do have 3 in the green.
November 14 Charlie, northwest departures approved. Contact Chicago, approach your discretion, 133.5.
Northwest approved, contact 133.5, 84 Charlie.
Oh, guys, that was my nicest one yet. That was my nicest one in a long time.
Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, left Alpha, monitor ground 0.7 to the ramp.
Charlie Alpha, monitor ground, 1 Bravo Charlie, Alpha, go on. Well, guys, welcome back. I don't know, I think YouTube took away the ability to put a poll, but otherwise, I'll either figure it out, or if I'm in question about which one looks better, I'll ask you guys. Maybe I'll put them like over, under, or side by side. Get some opinions in the comment section or something on camera and audio setups. You always gotta do a little R&D, short flights from time to time, test out new styles, try to keep up with the new technology, and trying to streamline my time editing so that I can not get so stressed out trying to put out a video a week. Maybe one day get ahead. As always, guys, thank you very much for the support. We truly appreciate it. Stay tuned. We'll have some more fun aviation trips coming out very soon. Until next time, bye.